I heard you're ready to unlock your best self. Well, since you're going to do that, it's a good thing. I got some tips for you. I'm Dr. Kamika or Dr. Berry Act Right because I'm going to get you to act right, okay? You're going to be acting right real soon. So, start off by incorporating wellness into your lifestyle. You need to be well. You need to live well. You need to live opulently well at a high level. Okay? So that could be as simple as being in nature, taking a walk on the beach, being outside with your feet on the grass. It introduces yourself to being in a wellness mindset. Okay? And then after that, if you don't know, you can learn. Attend a wellness retreat. There's plenty out there all over the place on the internet, and they will take you in and show you what wellness lifestyle is all about. So that's just a simple little tip that you can start right now. But the first thing you really need to do is start practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness when it comes to your food as well. That's called mindful eating. And what you do here, you're going to observe everything you eat and take time, think about if you are hungry or not, if you want to add these calories to your diet, if it's good for you to eat, what is the nutritional value on that? You're going to pause and take some time to decide, is this worth me eating? Is this doing me any good? Am I even hungry? And that is how I practice mindfulness with my eating, okay? And then you need to start moving. Get them feet to going. Just start from anywhere. It could be little as making sure you go up and down the stairs and don't send the kid up there to get it. Or you go get the remote control. It's as simple as that. When I was at my heaviest, you know what I did? I popped in a tape, walk away the pounds. I couldn't do much else. So I walked inside walking, walk away the pounds until I could do more and more. So start out small. You don't have to go out jog today. You don't have to do any of that. You don't have to jog in a month, but you need to start somewhere. Start small as you are able to. Start with stretching, yoga, anything like that. But start, okay? And then after that, you practice mindfulness. You started exercising. Now you're going to put in all these things together and you're transforming. You're changing your mindset. You are becoming who you want to be health-wise and spiritual and with your weight. So now it's time to add on a transformation of development, self-development. So here is an opportunity for you. You're doing all of these, adding all of these good things into your life. Now it's time to work on your self-development. Improve yourself. Do what you can to add to your life. Never stop learning is what I'm trying to say. Don't stop learning. You can learn from even a child. So open up your mind and open up your ears to learning. Be receptive of it. Seek it out and fit that in with the other things. Your new wellness lifestyle, your mindful eating, mindfulness, your new motivation to move, and all of that will present you with a transformation. And then finally, you need to take care of you. Self-care is very important. A lot of times, moms are running around after the kids and husband and everything, and they forget to put a little bit of time away for them to just woosah and recover from all of that stress that they've been over. Just some quiet time for them, or some time of stillness, or some time of pampering, something to help you to reset and charge your batteries up, because you are the ego, right? You're flying high every day. You're trying your best to make it all work. But if your wing is broken, how are you going to fly? How are you going to make all this happen? You can't. You're not going to do it to the best of your ability. You're not going to give it the attention it needs and the time it needs, because you can't. Because you're hurt yourself. You're broken yourself. Your wing is not working right. So take some time to take care of you. Get those things in order, and then you'll be more effective in taking care of others. All right, so I hope you got that. Hope you understand that. And then make sure you start to motivate your own self. You don't have to be motivated by someone else. It always helps. It always helps to put you in that mindset. But you can motivate yourself. Every day you can get up and you speak on what you want to do. Even if it's the smallest thing, is saying, today I am going to read 10 pages. Today I am going to meal prep, and I'm not going to forget. Today I'm going to remember to pick up the kids from school. And today I am going to make strides to becoming that teacher I want to be, that professor, that nurse. I'm going to make strides in those directions. I'm going to make strides to have a wellness lifestyle and have a life of self-care and living my very best life. And these are the tools that you can do that with. Start off again. Let's take it from the top. Start off again with adapt the wellness lifestyle. Start some mindfulness, mindful eating. Get to moving. Get those feet to moving, and then you will be transformed. Ta-da! Nah. But you need to add in some self-development. Keep that self-development going. Keep that learning. Never stop learning. Keep your mind open to learning new things and be receptive to new things, okay? And take care of you. You got to take care of you. If nobody else does, you got to set the time to take care of you, okay? So, if you want to join my community, our community of champions, we're out here living our best lives, getting ourselves together, making that physical and life transformation to say goodbye to some things for good and never miss a day of showing up for ourselves, okay? So come and join our community and see what we're talking about. Come hang out. Come live your best life with us.
Thank you for embarking on this transformative journey with Dr. Barry Act Right channel. If you found these key points resonating with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay tuned for more empowering content that will guide you on your path to unlocking your best self. Your support fuels our commitment to helping you live a life of opulent well-being and continuous self-improvement. Here's to your journey of transformation. Hit like, subscribe, and stay inspired.